أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of God, the Beneficent, the Merciful. In the conquest of Holy Mecca, when the Holy Prophet was about to receive the allegiance of the people in the city, it should be mentioned that not all people in Mecca accepted to offer their allegiance to the Holy Prophet, and the Holy Prophet never imposed on anyone the holy religion of Islam. People had the freedom to either offer their allegiance or refuse to do so. So the Holy Prophet went to the holy Masjid al-Haram, and people visited the Holy Prophet and offered their allegiance to His Holiness. In the afternoon of that day, the women were supposed to offer their allegiance to the Holy Prophet. Holy Quran mentions this verse. O the Prophet, when the women came to you, here are some recommendations of the Holy Quran to the Holy Prophet to be conveyed to the women. So when the Holy Quran said, O the Prophet was supposed to give some recommendations and conditions to the women who were willing to offer their religions. The Holy Prophet did not touch the hands of women, did not shake hands with them. There was a bowl of water. The Prophet dipped his hand into this water, and the women willing to offer their allegiance came there one by one and dipped their hands into the water and left. Some women came and offered their religions. As I said before, some men and women refused to offer their religions. And many of those people, over the time and gradually, consented to pay allegiance to the Holy Prophet of Islam. When the Holy Prophet recited this holy verse of Quran, and counting down those numerous occasions in that verse of Quran, that was not assign partners to God, not to steal, and not to commit adultery. And last but not least, not to kill their own babies. During the era of ignorance in the Arab Peninsula, it was a common practice to kill babies. Therefore, this verse specifically mentions this crime and asks the Holy Prophet to command the Muslim women not to do this. Baby girls were killed in one way, and baby boys in another way. In some cases, they had to kill their own baby boys because of poverty. When the Holy Prophet recited this verse, which was a precondition to people's allegiance to His Holiness, Hind, the wife of Abu Sufyan, out of brazen, out of arrogance and ignorance, said to the Holy Prophet, when the Holy Prophet instructed the women not to kill their babies, Hind said, we mothers nurtured our babies and grew them into men, and you are the one who killed them in the wars. One of the sons of Abu Sufyan was killed in the first battle against the Holy Prophet of Islam. His name was 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗕𝗧. And he was among those people who encouraged everyone to kill the Holy Prophet of Islam. Hind said to the Holy Prophet of Islam, after the conquest of Mecca, she said that we did not kill our own babies. You are the one who killed our children. It is wild that her son was killed in a battle that was started by the pagans in the first place. 𝗦𝗫𝗓𝗓, his mother Hind, and his father Abu Sufyan, they were in Mecca, and they waged a war on the people and the Muslim community in the holy city of Medina. They were killed in the suburbs of Medina, not in the suburbs of holy Mecca. The Prophet was living his life in the holy city of Medina, but it was the pagans who actually assembled armies and attacked the Holy Prophet, and the Holy Prophet only acted in defense. Hind had the audacity to say such horrible things and cast such baseless accusations on the Holy Prophet of Islam only because she knew that how forgiving the Holy Prophet of Islam is. For over 20 years, these people, the pagans, especially this family, tried to hurt the Holy Prophet of Islam. After saying those words, the Holy Prophet did not even care to bother and answer these allegations. The Holy Prophet is a role model to all Muslim governments and Muslim leaders. And this is what the Holy Quran instructs us. We need to learn from the Holy Prophet of Islam. Even the non-Muslim governments should learn from the Holy Prophet. And they should not react as soon as they are accused or insulted in such a way. It was at a time when the Holy Prophet had absolute power and authority, and those pagans, especially the family of Abu Sufyan, had no place or position to speak like that. An idiot person is a person who talks nonsense. The Holy Prophet was not the killer of 𝗦𝗫𝗓𝗦𝗓. He was an attacker. He was the aggressor. And the Holy Prophet had no choice but to defend. These are bits and parts of the shining morals of the Holy Prophet of Islam during his time as the leader of the Muslim community. And so all Muslim leaders should be so patient, not to react with any insult or accusation. One can only understand about the grudges and the inimical actions by the family of Abu Sufyan over the 20 years since the onset of Islam. And that woman used to stop men and shame men who were running away from the battlefield when they were fighting the Holy Prophet. This woman encouraged and shamed the men who were fleeing from the battlefield so that they return to the battlefield and fight the Holy Prophet. Finally, when they were defeated in the conquest of Mecca, she still kept throwing accusations on the Holy Prophet of Islam. However, the Holy Prophet did not even flinch, and this is the high morals that Islam represents. And as long as this virtue and morality and ethics is not introduced to the world, oppression and corruption will continue to grow in our world. Everyone, proportionate to their power, is responsible to propagate this policy and approach of the Holy Prophet of Islam, so that in the future and before the reappearance of the Holy Savior Imam al-Mahdi, we can be ready and get rid of all these problems that we are dealing with now. It is the responsibility of everyone to defend the character and history of the Holy Prophet of Islam, to defend virtue and morality, because it is a precondition for salvation of all humanity. May God give us the honor to continue in this path. May God bless Muhammad and his pure household.
بالحسن بالحسين بالأئمة الأطهار